So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a PDF file that customers can download in Shopify. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in our Shopify, all we have to do is go to Content, Files, then your Upload Files. From there, select your PDF, open it right here. So it's gonna upload it to Shopify right here. And let's wait for it. So let's see if it's gonna upload. So there you go, it's uploaded. And let's see if there you go. So here, just copy link. From there, we want to go to products. From our products, you'll see, locate the product that you want to sell. From there, all you have to do is actually insert it using this button right here. So you have to insert it with this link button right here and paste it right there. So unfortunately, I'm only using a trial version, so it won't be shown here. But something like inserting a video or an image, but you're inserting a link that they can press right here. So it's like placing the link right here, but actually they can press it, your customers can press it right there. So there you go. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.